Is that a fish? There he is, I got that one. What do I do if I catch a bird? I for real have a bird. Hey guys, I caught a bird. I've never done that before. All right, what's going on, Fishable Thinkers, and welcome back to the channel. And we are doing something totally different today, guys. We are on freshwater day. We are here on Lake Moultrie trying to catch some stripers. And today, I got Ryan and Ryan with me today. Captain Ryan, we're gonna call him Cappy, and that's gonna be his name, and then Ryan's just gonna be Ryan. So hopefully we're gonna go chase some stripers, guys. We're gonna go ride around, see if we can find some birds, diving, troll, do a bunch of fun things, and just see what we can get on, guys. Today's gonna be a really fun day, something really different. Let's go have some fun. Let's go catch some fish. See y'all there.
We got the bait balls all through here. We got stripers marking.
Beautiful.
Above them, below them, all in them.
Awesome. All right, y'all, so we're gonna start by trolling and then just kind of looking around at the birds and everything and seeing what we can find. If we see birds diving and see fish hitting the top of the water, we're gonna haul butt over there and go see if we can catch them. But in the meantime, we got some rods out back here. We're gonna troll, see if we can get on any stripers, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, well, nothing on the troll, but that's all right. So what we're gonna do now is start throwing a cast net. We're gonna get some live bait, drop them down, see if we can find some fish. All right, y'all, so what we had to do was come up here to the store here at this little marina at Black's Fish Camp, if you know where that is. And we had to pick us up some bait. Couldn't find any bait in the cast net, found one, and caught one fish off of one bait. And so artificials weren't working, couldn't find any bite on that. It is what it is. So got some live bait. We're gonna run back to the spot, spend the afternoon out there, see if we can't catch a few more, have some fun.
Game time.
Ooh, I got hit right there. There he is.
Yep.
Yep.
Nice. There you go. We want the big boy. Where's the big boy at?
Oh, they're pretty fast though, ain't they? All right, y'all, that is my second fish today. Too small. Going back. You got him? Yep. Nice. There you go. Oh, I got popped. Missed him though. You need a net?
Feels heavy. What's that? Oh, that's fast.
Will you hold this rod for a second? Yeah. That's bluebacks down there. If you get one, just reel him in.
Just not too big. That's bigger than the ones we can get.
Yeah?
But,
Yep.
thank you.
Yep.
18.
18.
18.
It's a nice one. Got that one.
Long, brother?
Yep. Little guy. Nah. Yeah, just let him wear himself out for a second. Oh yeah. All this is on video. Another one, guys, another small one. This is what, how many we got on board now? 4, 5? 4 or 5, that's my third one. No size to him, but.
I had 2.
Yep, 5. I got a really dead blueback on there, but we'll give him a go. Just kind of jigging him down, jigging it back up. They ain't deep either.
No.
They ain't deep. 10 foot, it's about right. Hey, there we go.
There you go.
That's a little guy. All right, guys, here's another one. It's another small one on the Slam Shady. That's pretty cool. I'll take that all day, every day. He goes back. Oh, he hit it right at the boat. I mean, right there. I saw him. I mean, right at the boat. That was wild. Uh-oh, you can't take my Slam Shady with you.
Live action.
Live action, boys.
Live action.
That was wild. So far, just a bunch of small ones.
I'll take it over there.
Biggest one, what, 18 inches?
Not mine. You catch an 18?
I didn't catch an 18. Thought yours was 18.
Oh, no, it's 15.
15.
18.
18.
18.
It's a nice one.
We're still searching for people.
Yeah. It's all right. We caught some fish. Yeah, we caught some fish.
Come on, head over that way.
Oh, I got popped again. Yeah. Little one. Grab the tail. That's what everybody around us is catching small ones too.
Come on, that live bait of yours, Ryan. Put that damn drop it straight.
I'm gonna put on a mulligan here. It's just a little bit bigger than the Slam Shady. See if I can't hook up on a little bigger fish. So let's get this guy on there and see how it does.
There you go.
There we are.
Bye. Quickly.
He gone. He gone, Frank. Get him on camera. They still on the screen? Everywhere?
Well, they're all up high.
Are they?
5 to 15. Just like the bait, just a steady stream.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah.
Just got to get on the bite. Oh, yeah. Yep.
Like
I believe that now because I got hit right by the boat.
Yep.
Right there. He just...
Crazy.
Come on. Come on.
No, they're still there. I saw the damn. It's right there. It's still right there.
I got one coming by. Yep. Till I got him. Hello.
It's like damn cobia. They just follow each other.
Yep. Come here. Come here, little fella. These little ones. That's 4 for me. Take it. 2 of them are just right by the boat, literally. I don't know why I'm casting way out there. All I gotta do is just jig it right beside the boat.
I swear it's like they commit right at the boat.
It's like they know or something, like, oh, this bait's gonna go up on this boat. See? Oh my God. It's literally right here when I get to the boat, every single time. I don't know why I'm even casting.
Right? Just drop it down below.
Just drop it straight down. Like 2 foot below the boat. Yeah, yeah. There he is, right by the boat. Right by the boat. Right by the boat.
I want to get in the big school.
Right by the boat.
Are they diving?
I've caught 3 in a row right here.
Yep.
I ain't caught none of them out there. Nope, not that time. Not surprised. Nope. About 4 casts in a row, I got bit right by the boat. Nope, got hit. Missed it. Come on back for it. Come on back for it. Just hitting it. Not really committing to it. And yet they've moved again, you guys. It was over here. We were just chasing these fish around, trying to find the big ones. Got a few, and we're having a ton of fun. But God, look at all these birds around here. These big fish got to be coming up soon. We got to get one big one on the board. There we go. We got another small one. Another small one for the camera.
Fish on.
Fish on.
Good.
Ooh.
It's a little bigger.
This might be my biggest one of the day. All right, guys, he's not very big, but that is I think that's my biggest one of the day. And he's a solid 10-incher, 11-incher here. They are fat though, they are very fat. They're down there eating. That one smoked it. I thought he was gonna be a big one. I'm just like that, cool.
We're just on school with the small ones right now.
Hey, you can only catch what bites, man. On the chase again, on the chase again. Going back up to the birds. This mulligan right here is doing very good. Other side of the pontoon boat and kind of like straight towards the short stay right there. Uh-oh, I got a bird. What do I do if I catch a bird? I for real have a bird. I don't have him hooked, he's just in the line. I'm literally reeling him in.
Yeah, exactly on.
I'm literally reeling in a bird.
Might be a fish attractor. Might need to throw my gloves, take them off for you.
I'm not, he don't got a hook in him.
Huh?
He don't have a hook in him. All right, guys, I caught a bird. I've never done that before, but I just cast it and he just flew into it and I was like, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Got it? All right, there's a good wind knot right there, yo.
There we go.
All right, we got him free.
Whee!
Woo, there he goes. Is that a fish?
Cast over the right.
There he is, I got that one. That's a nice one. This is a fish too.
Damn, hell yeah.
Got him.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, it is. I threw that thing right on him.
Would be that keeper. Maybe that 23 inch.
Maybe. Come on now. Come on up.
Oh, we should go up. Good ways out there. He must take a drag. Yeah. That's good.
Yes, sir, it is. Yes, sir, it is.
There you that go. Might be keeper. That's gonna be close.
Oh, yeah.
That's right.
That's a beautiful fish. That's what I've been wanting to catch.
Gotcha.
Awesome. Yeah, let's measure him real quick. He's, if I pinch the tail, he's literally right over 25. Right over 25. Thank you, sir.
No problem.
All right. Love that.
That's a good one right there.
Yeah, it was. Whew. So that was definitely my biggest fish of the day. He was a 25.5 incher. That is a keeper, so this is gonna be a catch and cook. Thank goodness. I didn't think I was gonna catch one to be able to cook, but I always come through at the end. Sun's starting to go down. We got a little bit more fishing. Let's see if we can get a couple more. All right, 10 small stripers, 2 birds, and a keeper. What a day.
What a day.
What a day.
Inshore slam.
That's what it is. Yeah, the Lake Moultrie Slam. Got one. I got another good one. You got one too? Yeah. We're doubled up? Yeah. We got one back here. We got one up here. I got a nice one. Yeah, mine's not that nice. I thought he was a lot nicer. He fought like he was. Yours bigger than mine. That's a nice one.
What we looking at? Oh, stop moving. He's 23 pinches. Yeah, I think we'll take him.
Yeah.
You want another one?
Yeah, I'll take another one. 2 will be just fine. All right, this one's going back. The one he caught's going in the cooler for me. And we're gonna keep casting. All right, y'all, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna troll our way back to the ramp and see if we can pick up any more on the way back. Just gonna go real slow. So we got rods sitting out of the back. I'm gonna keep casting out the front and just see if I can get any other hookups. But for right now, we're gonna troll back to the ramp. We got 2 keepers and couldn't be more excited about how the day went, guys, but it ain't over. Let's get back to fishing. I'm gonna turn the camera on the backside and watch the rods that are trolling, see if we can.
You getting close? I got the net right here. Oh, that might be a keeper.
Oh.
Nice. That's a sweet one.
Right, that's a nice one.
That might make it.
All right, you guys, welcome back to Georgia here. We got our striper ready to go, and we got some awesome looking fillets in here. I got that soaking in just some marinade sauce. I think it's like garlic and herb. Yep, herb and garlic. And after we put them on the grill, we're just gonna hit them with a little bit of Paul Prud'homme's blackening seasoning. Should be pretty good, guys. But the best part about this is, let me show you. We are making it over charcoal today, you guys. It has been a long time since I've made something over charcoal, but I can't wait for this. I think it's gonna taste phenomenal. I love the taste of like anything over charcoal. It definitely has the best taste of anything. And I say that out of a smoker and all that kind of stuff. But I love the flavor that charcoal gives, especially fish, chicken, anything. So let's get it rolling. Oh yeah. See how those coals are getting nice and blue down there? That's exactly what we want. That means that fire is getting really hot. All right, y'all, we're getting pretty close. Just about time to put the fish on. Yeah, now we got the grates on. We're just waiting for them just to get a little bit more gray or ash or whatever you want to call it. Just a little bit more, then they'll be ready to go. So I'm gonna take these straight out of the bag here, straight out of the marinade, and put them straight on the grill. Should be pretty good, you guys. All right, little Paul Prud'homme's on there, yo. Right on top. Not a whole lot, just enough to give it some flavor. Smells delicious. All right. So now as we wait for that, guys, I just want to give a huge shout out to Ryan and Cappy for taking me out, man. I had such a blast. I can't wait to do it again with you guys. Let's go fishing again soon. And that was just so incredibly fun, you guys. Like, I hadn't caught striper in a long, long time. Me and my dad used to do a lot of striper fishing when I was a kid. But in 2015, when I moved to Charleston, I did not do any more striper fishing. So since about 2014 was the last time I've actually caught a striper. Well, let's flip them. Those look pretty good. It's definitely hotter on this side over here. And they're falling apart on me, but that's okay. But they're looking pretty good. Those two right there were on this side, so it's just not as hot as this side as it is on that side, obviously. So we got those over here. These right here are almost done. These two are gonna take a little longer. Then we'll go inside and get everything else. And while we got them flipped here, I'm just gonna put a little lime juice. I'm more of a lime guy, not lemon. And so just put a little bit of lime juice on top of the backside of these fillets. And it should be pretty tasty. All right, well, that's that, y'all. Let's go eat. All right, y'all, well, that's what we got here. It looks pretty good, right? We got the fish, and of course we got collard greens, because I love collard greens. That is my absolute favorite thing. And then some corn on the side here. This is a recipe I've never done before. And so, cheers to the first bite. It almost tastes like salmon. That's really good. Really, really good. And I like fish that has a nice char to it, and that's why I really wanted to do this over charcoal, was to give it a nice char on the outside, but it's still extremely juicy on the inside. I mean, look at that piece right there. That just looks so good. That collard green is still a little hot. That garlic and herb flavor, I swear, it tastes just like salmon you would just buy at a restaurant. And it's so good. All right, y'all, well, I appreciate you watching this video. If you made it all the way to the end, I really do appreciate it. Do me a favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends, your family. Hope you guys really liked it, and we'll see you next time right here on Fishful Thinking Fishing. Until next time, guys, peace.